Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to solve the problems on those concepts which are covered in the last class. Show that the circles cut each other orthogonally. We have to prove that these circles cut each other orthogonally. Let us see the problem. First one, given x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. So here 2z is equal to 4, g is equal to 2, 2f is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 11. And given another circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 11 equal to 0. So here 2z is equal to minus 4, g is equal to minus 2, 2f is equal to minus 8 and f is equal to minus 4 and here c is equal to plus 11. Now you have two circles G, F, C, G dash, F dash, C dash. We have a condition: if two circles cut each other orthogonally, then 2Z G dash plus 2F F dash is equal to C plus C dash. So let us consider 2Z G dash plus 2F F dash. So 2 into, what is G here? 2. G dash is minus 2 plus, so 2 into F is minus 1 and F dash is minus 4. Now these are G dash, F dash and C dash. So that will be minus 8 plus 8. You will get 0. Now C plus C dash. C plus C dash is minus 11 plus 11 which is equal to 0. Now you have 2Z Z dash plus 2F F dash is equal to C plus C dash. So 2Z Z dash plus 2F F dash is equal to C plus C dash. Therefore, circles cut each other orthogonally. That is the required condition. Similarly, you have to do the remaining two problems. So next problem is find the value of k if these circles cut each other orthogonally. We have to find that value of k. Now let us consider x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 12 equal to 0. So here 2z is equal to minus 6, g is equal to minus 3, 2f is equal to minus 8, f is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 12. And consider another circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus k is equal to 0. So 2z dash is equal to minus 4, g dash is equal to minus 2, 2f dash is equal to plus 6 and f dash is equal to 3, c dash is equal to k. Now we have circles cut each other orthogonally. They are cutting each other orthogonally. Now you can use the condition 2z g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. So this implies 2z g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. So 2 into, what is g here? Minus 3. G dash is minus 2 plus 2 into f is minus 4. F dash is 3 is equal to 12 plus k. So 12 minus 24 is equal to 12 plus k. So k is equal to minus 24, which is the required value of k. Similarly, you have to complete the remaining two problems. Next problem is find the angle between the circles. First one, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 14y plus 28 equals 0. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. And second problem is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 14y minus 116 equals 0. X square plus y square plus 6x minus 10y minus 135 is equal to 0. Now see this, I will discuss the second problem. Now given x square plus y square minus 4x plus 14y minus 116 equal to 0. So 2z is equal to minus 4, g is equal to minus 2. 2f is equal to 14, f is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 116. You have another circle given x square plus y square plus 6x minus 10y minus 135 equal to 0. Now here 2z dash is equal to 6, g dash is equal to 3, 2f dash is equal to minus 10, f dash is equal to minus 5 and c dash is equal to minus 135. You have g, f, c, g dash, f dash, c dash. Now to find the angle between the circles, you have a formula given by cos theta is equal to c plus c dash minus 2z z dash plus 2f f dash by 2 root g square plus f square minus c root g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Now you have cos theta is equal to c plus c dash minus 2 into z dash plus f dash by 2 root g square plus f square minus c root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Now these are nothing but the radii of the given circles. So c plus c dash minus 116 minus 135 minus 2 into g dash minus 2 into 3 minus 6 plus f dash 7 into minus 5 minus 35 by 2 into root of g square 4 plus 49 plus 116 into root of 9 plus 25 plus 135. Now this is minus 251 minus 2 into minus 41 by 2 root 120 169 into root 135 plus 25 160 plus 9 169. So minus 251 plus 82 by 2 into 13 into 13. So it is minus 169 by 2 into 13 into 13. So you will get minus 1 by 2. Now cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 implies theta is equal to 2 pi by 3, 120 degrees. This is how we find the angle between the two circles. Similarly, you have to solve these problems and find the angle between those circles. The next problem is, if the angle between the circles x square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 equal to 0, x square plus y square plus kx plus 6y minus 59 equal to 0 is 45 degrees, then you have to find the value of k. Here they have given the angle, you have to find some k. Given circle x square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 equal to 0. So here 2z is equal to minus 12, g is equal to minus 6. 2f is equal to minus 6, f is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 41. You have another circle x square plus y square plus kx plus 6y minus 59 equal to 0. So here 2z dash is equal to k, g dash is equal to k by 2. 2f dash is equal to 6, f dash is equal to 3 and c dash is equal to minus 59. Now we have theta is equal to 45 degrees. You have a formula cos theta is equal to c plus c dash minus 2 into g dash plus f dash by 2 root g square plus f square minus c root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Now let us substitute all these values in that formula. So cos 45 degrees is equal to c plus c dash is 4 minus 59, sorry 41 minus 59 minus 2 into g dash. G dash is minus 18, f dash, sorry g dash. G dash is minus 6 into k by 2 plus f dash minus 3 into 3 by 2 root over g square plus f square minus c. So 36 plus 9 minus 41 into root over g dash square k square by 4 plus f dash square 9 minus c dash, that is plus 59. So you have minus 18 minus 2 into minus 3k minus 9 by 2 into root 4 into k square by 4 plus 68. You have cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So this will be 1 by root 2 is equal to minus 18 plus 6k plus 18 by root 4 is 2. So 4 into root of k square plus 6 4 ja 24 32. So 272 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. You will get root 2 into root of k square plus 272 is equal to 6k. Now squaring on both sides, you will get 2 into k square plus 272 is equal to 36k square. So k square plus 272 is equal to 18k square. So 17k square is equal to 272. K square is equal to 16. K is equal to plus or minus 4, which is the required value of k. So this is also your homework. Complete the homework and you can post it to me through WhatsApp. Thank you very much.